Hi. So I've come across the fact that a few of you are struggling to install Docker on your machine. So this video, I am simply going to show a live demo. So what I do is, first of all, this video is completely optional. In case you are through with the course, feel free to skip it. This is only an added feature because I've come to know that a few of you are struggling to install the Dockers. So what I did was I went to google.com and I searched for Docker Windows install, something like this, Docker download, and then this is exe is getting downloaded. So once you go to this portal, you go to the first docker.hub, and then this is the page where you get the exe file to download. Once you click this, that's it downloaded this particular file, and this is the file that you double click on. That will open an installer which will download some packages for you. So I've double clicked on it. You see it's processing right now. We'll just give it a minute. Feel free to fast forward it if this is not something that you want to look at. As I said, it's completely optional. It's only for those who are not able to install. So this is going to take quite a while. It takes about 4 minutes, I think. So you can fast forward it. It's just going to download the packages and install it on my machine. We just go with the default settings and 4 minutes of silence. So currently this installer is unpacking the file, the exe file that we just ran, and then it's going to install them on your machine. And then again, there'll be a group of text, a Docker group created on your system, and then your username would be added to it. But you don't really have to do anything. Just let it go with what it's doing. Give it maybe 2 more minutes. All of this can actually be skipped using the the play with Docker utility that I showed you, the one that looks something like labs of Docker. And this is the feature that you can use in case you don't want to install it on your local, which is the way I started it. So as I said, I highly recommend it for each one of you to try this area. Anyways, let's see where are we with the installation. It's still unpacking. It will then install it on your local. But yeah, please do try it and let me know in the feedback if you still face some issue. I would be happy to solve it for you. It is still installing. While it installs, our sandbox environment is already ready here. This is probably the coolest feature of Docker. Still unpacking. Finally deploying, installing components. I think we're almost there. So once this is installed, you'll simply close this window and then you'll just go to your Windows over here and you'll type Dockers and you'll see something like Docker Desktop, which you don't see right now, of course, because it's not installed. It's yet to be installed. So let this install and then we'll try this. Installation successful. Now we'll go here and do Docker, see Docker Desktop, and this is the way to go. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You see, this is the Docker icon now. Is that a whale or a shark? I think that's a whale.